Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper helicopter like this one. It can actually spin. Now, if you want it to spin, then you will have to do some adjustments, which I will show you at the end of the video. But for now, let's just make the thing itself. At first glance, it looks hard to make, but it is actually easy once you get to know how to make it. First of all, you need a sheet of paper, and you might be thinking, hey, how will you make such a small thing with such a big thing? And the answer is we will only use a little bit. Now here, instead of using the scissor, I will use a paper cutter because I have used the scissors many times, but it still did not result the best. So I will just use a paper cutter. First of all, if you are using a paper cutter like me or a scissor, you might want to fold it so that you can get the most accurate results instead of just cutting it or like that. So now once we have it, I am just gonna tear it. Don't worry if the result is bad. You can always make another because the paper is very well, that did not come in well. Maybe I was wrong because now I have cut it. And if it is not perfect, don't worry, you can always just fold it and then do the extra. And by the way, it does not have to be very much perfect. About this much might be fine because of the wing shape that will help it move. Now once you have folded it in half, now first of all you have to fold down the blades of the helicopter. Don't you know, like the blades which rotate on the, what do you call it, something, and that thing is this which will rotate. And don't worry if you think it is small, you can just always fold it more. You might want to get it about as long as that. Now once that is done, now comes the cool part. You want to fold it. Now this is the trickiest part, and it will help to do another fold which will be easy. And you don't have to fold the wings, just the body. Like this, you just have to fold just like that. Now don't worry if the wing is a little bit like this, because we are going to fix that. Now for the adjustments. No, I forgot, there was another part, which is basically this part, that also has a play to roll, or I mean, like, you can add it for decoration, because like it can spin without it, but it spins better with that thing. So first of all, you want to fold it up like that so that it bends a little bit. Now you want to bend it back into its shape, just like that. Now for the adjustments that I was telling. If you really want to make it spin well, you have to do it like the paper on the airplane. You have to fold one blade like this and the other blade vice versa, or opposite, like just like that. And don't worry if it turns out bad, you can always make it again. It doesn't matter how many times you have to make, because you still have a lot of paper left. So that will be very much the important thing is never give up. If we give up, we will never succeed. Now for the final part. Now, don't worry if there are any mistakes. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you are interested in paper aeroplanes, then you can also subscribe to Foldable Flight. He can make very much paper airplanes, and he is so good at origami that even I cannot fold planes close to him.